This is Tammy, Jeep Momma.
This trail is Crawler Ridge at Rausch Creek Off-road Park in Pennsylvania. This is the shortest of the 3 Jeep Badge of Honor trails within the park. And probably my best guess is this is the shortest Jeep Badge of Honor trail in the United States. Even though this trail is short, you could spend all day trying several different rock crawling lines from difficult to extreme.
They came through one all the way over to the right, which is actually the easiest of the lines here, and you can do that in a stock vehicle. I turned and came up these ledges, which is substantially more challenging. And the nice part about these ledges, as you're spinning, you can always work it to the passenger side to get a little bit better traction. But I came up over the harder parts here, and I'm going to have you do the same thing. Without the lockers first.
I've wheeled this trail about 5 or 6 times, and I've tried several of the lines. The first time I wheeled my newly lifted Jeep, Kyle with Off-Road Consulting guided me up one of the more difficult lines.
Holy shit!
Passenger. Feel that?
Yep.
Crawler's Ridge in the rain.
right up. Like a pro. The advantage of the Rubicon.
That's what happens when you can push the little button.
Yep. I love that.
Yes.
The more moderate lines are found by taking the outer edge. The harder lines are towards the interior.
Hold that line. It's easy. Stop the driver once you get up on it. Go ahead. Got it. Just need a little bit of a bump to get up. Oh, you got it. All right. Keep that line right there. We're good? Keep your momentum.
Driver. All right, you got a rock coming up? There you go. Let it go. Straight down. Down on your passenger, up on your driver. Down on your driver. Down on your passenger. Down on your driver and your passenger. All right. Straight down.
Typically, once up the hill, we would turn left and then loop back down to Trail D.
Hey, now cut the driver. You're going to come up on your passenger. Your back tire is going to hit this rock. You're going to walk around. There you go, you got it. Go. On that line. Come down on your back tire. Oh, your back driver tire. Straighten out.
Oh my God.
Hi, girl. Hey, great. You're going to pick up on this rock. When you do, your Jeep's going to tilt. So if you go too far, you're going to tip straight. Okay? Start coming back faster. There you go. You're over it. Back driver.
Just park up there and wait.
All right, you're gonna park straight forward,
Okay.
right at D. Because I'm gonna park everybody up there, and then I'm gonna come around, go this way, loop around, and then we're all gonna go out that way to pole line.
Okay.
Nice job.
Okay, this is Blue 2. Blue 2. I don't know if I've been on this or not.
Once you reach the top of Crawler Ridge, turning right takes you to Trail 2, which is a blue trail and can be challenging for a new off-roader.
How bad's Foghole? Pretty much anything here, if it has a name, it's bad. Okay.
Yep.